I see that.
Okay.
Oh.
Makes you horny.
It makes me horny. Mmm.
Look, he like bites them midair. He goes like this. He does this.
You're right. So makes sense. Yeah. We got it.
Move your foot. I want to see them have sex. Stupid lightning. I
Always
can't
have a
see it on my
smile on your
iPod.
face. Look. He's a green piece like poop.
I know.
What is she gonna get ready for? Is she gonna put like a douchebag on?
Yeah. And he needs to get his pants off.
Take 10 pants off. It was. It, like, it makes a noise in your. It's like Rice Krispies.
Yeah.
It's like a Rice Krispie. Oop. You wipe them boobies.
There she is.
You take those pants off.
She needs to put her douchebag on, and he needs to take his pants off.
It makes a noise.
Ew.
Do you not know what that just looked like? You're like. Blowjob much? I'm practicing.
Gotta practice with the long one. Mmm.
Oh, she wants her mouth to be clean for the blowjob. Oh, he dies before they have.
Sex.
Yeah, of course.
God. Ah! Oh my god!
I have this on video. This bitch is done.
Always have a smile on your face.
Oh my god, she's naked. Oh my god. Look at. Oh my god.
She has saggy boobs.
Wait, oh, she's naked. Wait.
Going. Oh! So she lays on him.